If you're struggling to eliminate smoky odors from your clothes, there are several effective methods beyond just washing them again. Baking soda is a powerful odor eliminator. You can add it to your laundry or soak your clothes in a solution of hot water and baking soda for a few hours. White vinegar also works well, adding it during the rinse cycle or soak delicate items to help neutralize smells. For natural freshening, hang your clothes outside or in a well-ventilated space as fresh air can help dissipate odors. Hot water washing is another option, but be sure to check care labels first. Additionally, you can use dryer sheets, activated charcoal, or commercial deodorizing sprays, but avoid mixing vinegar with bleach. If these methods don't work, consider consulting a professional dry cleaner who can effectively remove the smell from delicate fabrics.